all doing? Today's vlog is going to be a fun traveling vlog. We are going to check out museum and beach. And watch me to struggle to get a good shot of myself like this. And now we are first going to the museum. I'm so excited to go to the museum for first time in 5 years. I know it is quite near to me where I live, but this is a quite experience I got after so long, and I'm so happy and I like to share with you too. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, we already arrived at the museum and I clicked almost every shot that I can possibly get outside the museum of all. And yeah, you can see the scenery is very beautiful. Now let's head to the first department that I went to. Was Bronze Gallery. It had almost very beautiful idols. As you can see, it was so beautiful and so magnificent. I was in love, and this is the first shot I took and I was so satisfied with it. As you see how beautifully they displayed every idol, and I just took few and I started to admire each and every piece. It almost took me a half an hour just to look around, and it was so beautiful again, and I can't stop saying how beautiful it was. I know how much I'm talking, it's a lot more, but I'll keep my mouth shut for now. I want you to also see how beautiful it is, so yeah, I'll keep my mouth shut for now. Okay, here's the quick overview of this bronze gallery. How beautiful it is, isn't it? And after this, I went out to check out the Children's Park Museum. And trust me, it was not childish, but little bit. And I walked down, passed by it, and the structures were so beautiful. It's almost reminded me like I'm out of station, yeah. But yet, okay, let's move on. After all of this, we left to go to the beach. I'm on my way to reach out, and unfortunately, I was not able to take a lot of shots like this in the beach. I just got a quick cut snaps of myself like this one. It's lucky that I got this one, and this one too. It was so pretty, and yeah, awkward moments like this too. after all this enjoyment, it was already late. As you can see, it is already dark in here. And I know, pretty sure nobody can see it's raining, but it is raining. First time in my life my parents let me to get wet in the rain. Yeah, sounds weird, but that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed.